Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball ball login problem. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball ball login problem, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this window here, you will enter to 8-ball ball. Then in this page of app info, you will enter to force stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to this window of storage. Here in this page you will click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about 8-ball ball and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. Thank you for watching.